AI. We all want everyone to know AI. Everyone is still confused. Everyone is still chasing something, a new tool, a new for the thing you are running from is the exact thing that could work for you. Right now, somewhere, widely people are building entire website in minutes, and I literally mean when I say that, okay? No code, no programming language, not even a deep understanding of AI automation, just a simple daily conversation type. And once you see how it's done, you want to look at building a website the same way again. Stop feeling left behind in clouds and let's start. Let's see, you're gonna make it AI, Claude AI here. I'm gonna search it. Okay, this comes Claude AI. Now click it. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday time. Disease. Okay, so we are to compare website. So we will tell it best prompt. I am going to paste that prompt PDF in the description. If you want, you can copy that too, or otherwise you can use your own simple languages to explain Claude AI what you want to make on website. Okay, so I'm gonna write it here. Uh, Build me a single page portfolio website for a content creator, AI enthusiast. Okay, and then requirement section, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna paste it. Enthusiast, REQUIREMENTS requirements. I'm gonna paste this one. When I see this, I'm gonna paste it here also, and I will send this again because I don't want any of the glitches in the app basically. So let it work. Now it's just gonna read my text a bit late because it is building right now, so we have to wait for it. This website making will only take you literally 10 minutes of a time and maybe 15 minutes. And if you don't know what is prompt engineering, or you can say you don't know how to talk to your AI tools, and if you want a good video on how to easily talk with your AI tools, please ask me. This can take up to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Basically, the main time is needed basically at the time when you are writing your prompts. You have to think fast because this AI can generate literally your website in very few minutes, like hardly 1 to 2 minutes. The main thing you are gonna waste your time in is writing the best appropriate strike prompts for it. Okay, this is my personal website. You can say how much video, how I am a content creator, an AI enthusiast who works, who edits video. I have channels. I have two channels basically. One is this, you can see upgrade brief. I have just launched soon, and this is channel. This is the AI roadmap I'm actually working through. C languages, 550. What I'm doing basically, it's this website will basically tell anybody who will see it what I am up to, what are my interests, and what I am currently on which level. Okay, if you see it, learn by building. How I learned BTech students in AI and DS and self-taught in video. I learned my opening of software and break things until they worked, and all things it happened in itself, and it's so amazing that you're gonna love it. It is literally looking top-notch website. Like I have built it using web development courses, doing back-end coding, front-end coding, but literally I have did nothing of it of all. Learns by building. Okay, got a project or collab or good. This is a very good one. But a sample one. I have not given it basically all things, all my phone number, my emails, and all my other links of other social media platforms I am on. But it looks very great on it. Wanna make it a big one. See, workings and learnings. It's a one page, so it's looking great. Open link. Also, 1 minute. Now you are leaving Claude or to visit external website. Cancel. It's great. See my work. Get in touch. And so much like I'm gonna download the HTML, publish artifacts, download the HTML works, or if you want, you can also publish it. Okay. Okay. This is how you can easily create a website in minutes. And if you want to give it further prompts, like let me show you. Make the website just wait and watch. I basically don't like this one, and I want to make it a bit professional type, so I'm gonna tell it to make it Apple web design style, those lightweight, a bit professional type. Okay, so let it build it. It's building, honing and all, and basically I want to tell you one thing, that it is a free plan. I have not upgraded it till now. You can see I made a whole website for my own use without the use of any coding, any paid subscription on any AI tools. Okay, it's a single page portfolio for content creator for me basically. Okay, and it's great. There are many other variants. You can see it does all those backend work that a web developer must be doing. Okay, rebuilding the site in an Apple style design, it's doing all this work, and this literally is going to blow your mind out. It literally takes 1 to 2 minutes of your whole work if you want to make an AI website, and this can also be a process where you can sell it and earn money. You can reach out to people and earn money, and I'm gonna make a separate video on how to work. See, everything is doing like talk to an HTML type, like it's literally writing an HTML code, all code. And literally, let me tell you one thing also, I have no experience of coding. Content cut to style, and see, this one is looking a bit like literally like a professional content creator. Okay, 19, okay, right, it's my age basically. AI tools, Claude, GPT, Notebook, LM, and there are many AIs you can use. I wanna make a separate video on the most worthy AI apps that one should know. Even you are in college, school, or you are working as a tech professional, you must know these important 10 AI tools, and I'm gonna making a separate video on that. Okay, video editing. There are thousands of apps on Play Store and Apple Store, but I'm gonna also make you a separate video on what are the best apps for video editing on MacBook, on your laptop, Windows or Android. Okay, content creation, oh great, but edits, I've got like it. And this one is one of my work that I sell to last time to one of a teacher, basically a Claude saga. It is basically, you can say, a website for a teacher, a computer science teacher who was wanting a website from me. Okay, I just made a website using this Claude AI tool also, and I showed to him, and he was literally impressed. Like he is a senior software developer in a big MNC. Okay, but he didn't use any AI in his work, and I showed him this, and he was literally shocked by this. Like how a 19 years old student can make such a skilled website, that too without a coding experience. I am literally on my way to learn C++. I have been learning Java since my childhood due to my schoolings in class 10, 11, 12. Now I am learning C++ basically. So basically you can see this is one of my work, and I'm gonna make a separate video on this too. Okay, this is a great thing. All my things are here, and if I want to add contact, okay, I can just chat here, add my number. Let's say I'm adding a sample number. You can say okay, like anything you want. Like I'm doing this step by step, but if you want to actually build a website and sell it, you can just tell everything you want, from the number, from an email, from the other website links, your work, your GitHub projects, and all, anything you want to make. It's any, and many a time I've seen nowadays people, instead of making a resume, they are building their own websites that is looking more stylish and more like people are getting impressed from that. A website where you have a number, email, and all things. Okay, okay. So it has generated it right now. Let me see, where is my number. Contact is the last part. Here you go. Oh, this is my sample email, example email. My Instagram is written here, my number when added, and anything you want, you can add your LinkedIn link, your Instagram link, your X link, your Twitter link. Anything you want to add, I can add it in a few seconds, in a few clicks of my keyboard. Okay, any work you have done, like this is one of my freelance build. Any work you have built, some projects, you have done some work, you have built a website, you have done freelancing, how much you have earned from freelancing, you can add all up here in one place, and it literally looks great at one place. Launching soon is all everything it had, and it's so great. This is how you can easily create a website in few seconds. And you know, in this small video you learn how to make a website few minutes. It will literally help you also to earn money, and I'm going to make a separate video on that, on how to earn money from making AI generated websites. And literally trust me, this industry is still booming in 26, and I know in 27 people are going to be so skilled in this work then that they are going to make millions and millions of dollars by selling just these websites. Okay,